Okay everyone, so I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard so you can use it for yourself and as well as annotating for your group of students. So first you're going to go down to share content. You're going to scroll down to new whiteboard. And then from there are these options: allow to annotate, pointer, text tool, line, and so forth. So here's where you can draw or write on the actual whiteboard or erase, and then here's where you can capture what you saved. So we'll save it. Text tool, text here. So if you want to, write something for the students, that's where you click. For the line, you want to change it to different colors. Here's black, and then you can do blue, and then you can do shapes here, rectangles, and then there's a pointer where it indicates who is the one that's pointing, so this would be me. And then from there you can erase. So you erase the lines and the squares and what you need to do. And then for annotating, it shows thumbnails, so if you have more than one, you can add it. And this is to different pages, zoom in, zoom out. You can get out, and then for annotating. And then from here is when you'll stop annotating, but you can go, and so you can show all the students here. And if you would like to exit, you go here, and then this is the little icon where you can even name it, like Bio 101. Sorry, Bio 101. And then it can save that way. Or if anything, you can go to exit if you like to just delete the whole page. You can go here and you can choose to save it and you can share with your students, or you can delete it as you like. So I'll just click no. And that's how you use the whiteboard method.